everybody, thanks for having a look at our video. Just want to take you through our new product, the B2B online ordering solution by Web Ninja. We think it's the quickest, easiest way to sell online for B2B style companies. First up, a little bit of an intro about the product. We've refined our capabilities over the last few years, and we've centered our product around specifically dealing with B2B requirements. So we found through those sort of journey, some of the most popular features and functionality that's needed for a B2B style online presence, and we put that into an out-of-the-box B2B product. A couple of screens that you see there are some of the screens from the product. It very much is, like I said, out of the box. There's no customization to the product available, but it is very much suited to that B2B style ordering and customer portal scenario. Because they are fixed templates, the look and feel is the same. However, we do rinse your colors and your logo through the site, so it does replicate your brand, and it does make it feel like it is your portal for those customers that are coming there. As usual, as part of all of the Web Ninja products, it's a two-way integration with your accounting software. That is, your products in your accounting or / inventory software can be automatically sent to the site. They're maintained within your accounting software and then updated automatically on the site. And then on the flip side of that, orders on the online ordering portal come back automatically to your accounting software for further processing. Whole idea, like I said, because it is out of the box, it is a quick color logo rinse. The integration is built in automatically. That the whole purpose of this is for B2B style companies, you're up and running quickly with minimal fuss. As you can see here on the screen here, I just want to take you through a couple of the screenshots just to give you a bit of a feel for the product. The product layouts are built specifically for B2B style ordering. That is, customers that know your product, they come back frequently, they don't necessarily need big, bold images with lots of detail. Because they know your product, they want to get in, order that same product or order another product quickly and easily, get out of there and go back to their own business. So the product presentation that you see here in this listing format, we know that this works well in a lot of customers' B2B environments, and therefore it's incorporated into this product as well. One of the main features that we've developed a few years ago within our online ordering store, and one that we've brought to the forefront here in the online ordering solution itself, is our quick pick list. Now this is a pantry list style ordering process. Again, customers come in, they can see what's on their pantry list, they can order quickly, add to cart and move on. The quick pick, however, is dynamic, and that is, it's based on actual invoices or actual orders that have gone through your accounting system. So they don't necessarily have gone through the website, they could have gone through a normal phone call previously, but it'll be here in this online ordering quick pick list for that customer to order the next time. So it's based on historical information. Out of the box, it's set for 90 days. We can reconfigure that quite quickly and easily to be 30 days or 60 days or something suitable. So they're a dynamic quick pick list. The next feature I wanted to show you was order templates. Now these are similar to the way they're presented to the quick pick list, however they are based on static configuration. So in other words, you might have a template for, say, it being, say, from the food industry, you might have a template for freezer goods, you might have a template for dry goods, you might have a template for chiller goods, and you can have multiple templates associated to customers. You can also create templates and associate that to multiple customers. And templates can have a preset quantity against each individual product. So the example that you see here is I've got 5 different templates, each with different products on them, when they were created, etc. And the whole idea is the customer can come in, click on their templates, add to cart straight away if they just want to order the same thing, or they can view and edit it first, or they can delete the template if they no longer use that particular template. But it is unlimited as to how many they have and how many products appear on that template, and the whole idea is obviously to come back, order quickly, cut down the keying time, and either replenish stock or just simply get another order of what they ordered off you last time. What we've also done is incorporate a few extra items into the customer portal area, or the My Account area we call it. You can see at the main heading at the top of this screenshot that we've got quick links to a lot of the major functionality, the things that we think that people will access more often than not. Your view invoices, your quick picks, your express orders, and so forth. But the My Account area allows us to add in some extra links there that are also beneficial for B2B style customers. Some of those things that you see there are things like back orders. So we can show an outstanding back order. We can show the items that are outstanding on that particular back order, so customers can get an update of where things are at in terms of that process. Customers can also see their order report here and see all of the orders that were within their log-on facility here. They can also reorder off previous orders. So there's a few other different things that can access in the My Account area that aren't necessarily linked to that main header page or header navigation bar. My Invoices is another popular feature that we've developed a few years ago. And that's again primarily to cut down, the admin time. Can you shoot me a copy of an invoice? Can I get another copy of that? I lost my invoice. That sort of stuff is available, obviously, from a customer point of view, any time of the day. They log into the site. They can see a list of their invoices, whether they be outstanding or not. They can click on a particular invoice and get a copy of it. We've got an add-on feature as part of our premium solution with online ordering, that allows the customer to pay the invoice online as well. So very handy option, and takes away some of the fuss of having to deal with those emails and those things, those requests for copies and all the time of invoices. And then the extra sort of bit of functionality that we think is very, very valuable, and a lot of our customers use this now, is the order on behalf. So what that means is, if I'm a sales rep within this organisation, is I can actually use the online ordering facility itself to order on behalf of the customers that I'm going out to see. So when I log onto the online ordering site, it knows that I'm a salesperson. I therefore get an extra menu option up the top here, which is order for a customer. I click on that, and then I can see a list of my customers. What I simply have to do is click over to the right here and click place order next to the customer that I want to order on behalf of. And then that basically logs me onto the site as if I was that customer. So I'm therefore seeing my quick pick. I'm seeing the order templates for that customer. I'm seeing the pricing based on the accounting rules for those products in the site. And then when I place an order for that customer, that goes back against that particular customer's account within the accounting software. The sites are responsive, so in other words, they're responsive to what size device you're coming from. So really good for reps that are out there on the road using iPads or even phones to place orders nice and quickly and easily, be in front of a customer placing an order, or just have visited a customer and place a quick order for them on the way out. Nice feature and works really well. Okay, so what to expect when you come in and get one of our online ordering packages? Well, first up, you get a dedicated account manager. That's an expert ninja who's going to help you through the setup process, the implementation process, and configure the online ordering to suit your customers. So they're responsible for training, they're responsible for getting you go live, and they've got plenty of tips and tricks up their sleeve to get you there quickly. From a charge point of view or a cost point of view, then there's two sort of aspects to the charging. One sort of setup fee, that's going to cover the project manager's time, their tips and tricks, their implementation, their configuration, and their data mapping within the online ordering portal itself. And then you've got an ongoing monthly fee, which I'll explain on the next slide to you. So just to confirm, once-off setup fee and ongoing monthly fee, nice and simple. Part of the training process that I mentioned, the account manager delivers. We've got some online training assets there as well, so you guys can come back anytime, refresh yourself, or if you can't remember what was said, you can go and have another look. They're available all the time for all of our customers. We've also got an online knowledge base that allows you to roll through and see if there was an issue or there's something that you're not sure about. There'll be a subject matter there, and there'll be an article that might be relevant for you. Again, just around that charging side of things, there's a question that comes up often: what about volume charges? Well, we don't do any of that. So it's unlimited users, unlimited orders, unlimited transactions. It's a once-off setup fee, and it's a monthly charge going forward with no variation around that. We've got ourselves a secure admin area. That's allowing you to go back in at the web level, have a look at the configuration, have a look at the data mapping side of things, maybe check some things out. If you're feeling confident, make some changes if needed. That's available obviously 24/7. It's part of the web store. It's back in that admin section. Like I said, it's secure access. We give you an access password for that. We've got our online support resources, like I mentioned. We've also got our phone and email technical support. We've got a crack team, a support team that's renowned for having as low a number of tickets as possible with a business our size. They're wholly responsible for responding to you quickly, getting the problem sorted, and getting you back up and running if there needs to be, or at least pointing in the right direction if you've got a question. And like I mentioned, part of the setup, part of the project manager's time is spent around that data mapping assistance. That's the most important aspect in regards to the project. That allows us to make sure that we're bringing through the right data from your accounting system into the fields that are expected at the online ordering level, so your customers are seeing the right data. It's making it easy to buy and nice and easy to use as well. All importantly, the pricing comes in two flavours basically. We have our standard package, which is $250 a month, and then we have our $300 a month, which adds in or gives you the ability to add in some of the custom or premium options available, like having a payment gateway connected to the system so you can charge a credit card on exit, or having invoice payments available, even things like customer type, so we can recognise different customers based on their login and then present maybe products differently or do something differently for that particular customer type. So if you're interested in the product, or at least want to have a bit of a deeper look at the product, we've got a brochure available as well on our website, but we've also got obviously some people that can talk to you about the product and show you through the product, do a web demonstration yourself. So do like the sign says, Summon a Ninja. You can do that at those two websites in both Australia and New Zealand. You can email the sales team at webninja.com.au. If you're swinging through Varsity Lakes, call in for a coffee, but you can also obviously phone us direct on those the Australia and New Zealand numbers that you see there. Thanks for your time, and I hope you do summon a ninja.